Good afternoon. I am just off on a little mission to get that wheel fixed for this bike. So this is the new bike, a bit disappointing, several spokes broken, but you know, go into that later because I've got to go and catch a train. As you can see, I've got it attached by luggage straps to the rucksack, so it seems fairly solid, and I'm going to use that bike to get me to the station. So it's what they call multimodal transport. Bit of a nuisance really, but the bike repair shop that I trust to do the job that I've heard about are about 8 miles away, so it's save some time. I'm going to get the train and I'm going to pick the spokes up, the new spokes that I need, on the way. Right, boat's all shut. Brompton is on, only 3 bars, but it doesn't matter because I'm not going far. 3 bars should do me for 8 miles, no problem. But that's in theory, isn't it? And as we know, e-bike battery bars are sometimes a bit optimistic. The road's just up here. Cheers, mate. Hello there. Nice one, thanks. Right. So, the way into Northwich lies ahead. And I'm just looking behind me, there's no cars. Bike feels a little bit wobbly today, don't know what's going on. The e-bike felt like that, the other one. Just before I discovered the spokes had all broken, 6 of them. Yeah, my fault. Heard the little clicking noise coming from I thought the rear wheel. I tried all the spokes, gave them a quick squeeze. Couldn't find any loose ones, but there clearly was one that had snapped. I rode on for a bit, and then within a short time, the wheels did start wobbling, and I realised the problem. So one went, and then shortly after, another 5 in quick succession. And that's the way it happens. They're under massive stress. These e-bike wheels, 20-inch wheel, very short spokes, a motor, 250 watts is a lot. I moan about it being pathetic and we should have more, but it is a lot. Anyway, it's got to be fixed. But the thing is, I've ordered new spokes, like specialist e-bike spokes, super strong, to avoid a repetition of the problem. Get the wheel rebuilt from scratch with the new spokes, because the last thing I want is to be 7 miles away from the boat and have the wheel collapse. I need it to be safe. The place that's good is in Delamere, which is about, I think, 8 miles away. And I know I'm lazy, but I can't be arsed riding 8 miles, especially on the Brompton, on rural roads. So, there's a train journey, but before I get the train, I've got to go pick up the spokes. Multimodal, multi-shop, multi-stop, whatever. AKA an absolute palaver. This is the deal, isn't it, really? With bikes. No way round it. Okay, hate to break going downhill, I absolutely hate it. But it is what it is. The road's too narrow for me to sneak through on the inside, as I normally would do. But as long as I get through the lights, I'm not in that much of a rush. I think I've got bags of time. But you know, you don't want to mess about, do you? I even went to the trouble of buying an e-ticket, so I wasn't waiting at the station. Right, I've got to be brave, arm out boldly to indicate a right turn. Oh, thank you. And actually I've done that wrong. I've turned to the wrong bloody road. What an absolute pillock. Can I get through to the right road here? I don't think I can. Oh, this is one of those things that I said might go wrong. You're losing your way. Right. Right. I think, looking at the Cyclers app, I'm close, just here. Yeah, there's a little shop a bit further on the right. One of those days. Yeah. No disrespect to Northwich, but this is definitely a place where you're locking your bike, especially in Brompton. Sorry, mate. That was mercifully quick. Now, let's unlock this beast. So, what I must not forget to do, is to drop off the spokes with the bike. I've got a horrible feeling I measured them wrongly and I've wasted like 50 quid on spokes that don't fit. But if I don't drop them off, we'll never find out. So the station is back down this way, obviously, and then to the left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this guy some room to come through. You never quite know what silly little thing will slow you down when you're on a bike. Just forgetting some daft bloody thing. A bag or a lock means you've got to go all the way back. Right, what I'm going to do here is get off the road, because massive queue of cars down there. No, I saw some steps, sorry, should have explained. A flight of steps, but why carry a 20 kilogram weight down some steps when you can just walk, or rather cycle. Sorry mate, can I just squeeze past there? Nice one, thank you. Trains right end of the thing. You used to be able to walk through, obviously here they're working on the station, so that's not an option. Right, now I've got to carry. So, bags of time, got me e-ticket. So, what platforms, what? 14, 20. Oh, don't tell me. Do not tell me I've made a mistake. want to. It says it's on time, but it doesn't agree with that board. So my train isn't on the board. Well, whether it's on or not, it looks like train line thinks it's on. That's good enough for me. Excuse me, love, sorry to bother you. Is that the route? Oh, it says Chester, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, where are you going to?
Delamere.
Oh, yeah.
Chester's
that way, so we need to go on the
brilliant.
other side.
I don't want to slow you down, so you go ahead, thanks. Oh, no, it's okay. It's not as heavy as it looks. Sadly, I'm weaker than I look as well, which doesn't help, but no, it's doable. Thanks anyway. It's not too bad actually. You do sort of get used to carrying a 20 to 25 kg weight around up flight of stairs. Mercifully they're short, so it's not too bad. It's worth it, honest. No, to be honest, no. I'm dropping off this wheel to get fixed. Oh, God. I'm on a boat, you see, so like I've got to have two of these bikes rather than a car. Yeah, narrowboat, yeah. So I gave up my car about a year ago, but you're a bit stuck when you need things fixing. And it's miles away, and you're a lazy bugger, you know. Right. There we go. Okay. So this, well, this is a weird little place, look. It's like a cafe restaurant at the station. All very nice. But restaurant. This is the way out. Nice. So basically, I've got to find a bike shop. So I've already programmed in saved rides. There we go. I don't really know which way this is, so just have to see how it goes. Right, I appear to be moving away from where I want to go. So hang on. Right. Let's have a look at this. Okay. The sat-nav wants me to go through there, which is a track and a car park, and I just think I'll be fiddling round endlessly. It looks from the map as if the road I'm on rejoins the route I need to be on in a few hundred yards. I've got to say, absolutely lovely neck of the woods, by the way. I think we're in the middle of, or in the region of Delamere Forest. which many of you will have heard of. And it's a lovely place. It's very popular, massively popular for tourism. I can remember coming here 30 years ago and it wasn't as developed as it clearly is now, with all sorts of cafes everywhere, a few cafes, and of course a bike hire shop as well. So the bike hire shop seems to be up ahead. There's a car following me, well, following my route behind me. I think I need to go left here somewhere. I think I need to go left. No, I've overshot. Right, bit of a navigation problem. I'll show you the way it looks. Right, question is, can we get back onto the route? Like, we definitely can. Yeah, we definitely can. But it's like another half a mile, so I'm tempted to kind of go the way that the sat-nav originally said, I think, which means back this way. It didn't look like there was a right turn, but now I can see a fence line. So there is. Sorry, I wasn't even looking. Do you know what it was? I didn't expect it. That's my excuse. But anyway, it clearly is what is now a left turn. I should have taken it as a right turn. It's a no entry, but of course the bicycles. Certainly when there's no traffic around, we care not. Right, so I've got to bear right here. Access only. Well, I do want access. Why is it saying access only? That normally means, look, that's the railway line I've just been on. Access only. I don't know if that means like trade vehicles or staff or, I always think about that. It means access to local facilities. Rather than a through route. That's the way it's originally designed to mean. But, right. What I want, the place I want, do you know what? I don't even know if it is the place I want. Right. Okay. The problem here is that I've got a return train journey to make, so I can't take all day to find this gaff. So I'm going to abandon this for now, right? I'm going to go to Google Maps. Because Google Maps, it's called TRACS. Okay, it's 0.1 miles away, but navigate, start.
Walk southeast.
I'm not walking anywhere, kiddie wink. Right. Okay, I feel like it's back the way it came. It's definitely not. I thought it, because someone said on the Google review, it's close, it's next to Go Ape or something. And it's sort of not. So, I think I need to do a U-turn. Right. Okay, right. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like we're on the right track here. Where I went wrong was in assuming that it was close to Go Ape. I just had my map searching for Go Ape, because that's all the sat nav had. So now it's a right turn. So it's sort of, I was going kind of the right way.
Turn left.
Right, turn left. I think it's that big building. I think.
Turn right.
I can't turn right, but I know that I can see the place now. I can see the place. The place is there. I can walk through to it. I can walk through to it. I don't want to go on this crazy little cross-country adventure, but stuck in soft dirt. Sometimes these little tracks are a tad more troublesome than you expect. This is a sort of it's a crazy little kiddies biking track. See, it's got little bumps and ridges and stuff. The kids have fun. Now I'm going to be gutted if I can't get out this side of here. I don't know if I can. Come on. Oh no, I can't. It's all fenced off. Yeah, I was just, is there a way through here? Have I got to go round?
I don't even know how you got in there.
There was the panel was out of the way. No. So just back that way and round here. I just want to get to the shop. The service centre.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. Yeah, whichever way you could get out.
So, can I get into the shop through here?
Yeah, if you can get that way, you can do that, yeah.
Brilliant, thanks. I feel like it doesn't have to be this difficult. The guy was saying, I don't know how you even got in there. And obviously, as I said, there was a panel lifted. Okay, well, regardless of what Google now thinks, it's often the way with shortcuts. And this is why I say you always need some contingency time with bike travel. Here we go.
Turn right.
You always need some contingency time because sometimes, especially if it's a journey you've not done, there can easily be some little 5-minute shenanigans. And if you're bang on the time for your train, you can be snookered. Right, so this is the place. Oh yeah, I'm looking for the service place, please.
Yes.
Right, I spoke to your mechanic earlier on about getting a wheel rebuilt.
Don't repeat yourself. If you're coming in just a second.
Oh, really? Oh, fine, okay. If he's coming in a second, would you rather I stand here?
Yeah.
Is that why you're pointing? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dear. Hello.
Oh, it's all about the wheel. Yeah, never.
Do you know what? I thought in the end, I'd best get it to you because at least I'm in the queue to get the job done. Whereas if I turn up on Monday, I'm not really. So, you know.
So it's not Brompton one, it's...
No, it's this guy. So, the thing about this, I've got the spokes. Now, I don't know for sure if these things fit, so